Hey guys, welcome back to the DelftStack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix broken images in Firefox. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go through these settings. So do that, just select the three lines at the top right corner and then go for the settings down below, and now go for the privacy and security. And over here guys, just simply scroll down and you should be able to have an option over here, security. So you will have this one, and now sometimes the images are blurry or broken because it's protecting you from blocking dangerous images. So from here you could turn it off and you should be able to fix the issue if that's the case. Now, another option is you could just simply go for the privacy and security again, and you could just simply go for the clear browsing data. So guys, clearing your browsing data can fix the issue, because sometimes too much data into your browser can cause some error on the images. So I recommend going for everything, and it will reset your Firefox and it will become much more faster. But remember that your data will be erased, so you must be backing it up before you proceed with this process. And pretty much that's it. Just simply select clear in order for you to proceed with this process, and mostly this can fix the issue.